10 money-saving secrets they don't teach in school. They say money doesn't grow on trees, yet we spend most of our youth in classrooms that never teach us how to actually grow it. You've been told to save, budget, and be responsible. But what if I told you that real financial wisdom often lives outside the pages of textbooks? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes you're going to discover 10 money-saving secrets they never taught you in school. Secrets that could completely shift how you handle your finances. Miss one and you might miss your chance at real financial freedom. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Save Smart secrets. Most of us grow up with one script: study hard, get a good job, earn a paycheck, and save a little. But life doesn't reward followers of that script alone. Let's start with a truth you won't hear from your economics teacher. Income isn't everything. Keeping what you earn is what counts. Saving isn't just about stashing cash in a bank. It's about strategy, discipline, and knowing how to use systems in your favor. Secret number 1: automate your savings before you see the money. Most people save what's left after spending. High achievers save before they even touch the money. The moment your income hits your account, a portion should go directly into savings or investments. Automating this process forces discipline and builds a savings habit without emotional decisions involved. This is the foundation of wealth. Secret number 2: buy quality, not quantity. They teach you how to calculate percentages, but they don't teach you the value of buying once and buying right. Cheap items break. You buy them again. Quality costs more up front but saves more over time. Whether it's clothes, shoes, appliances, or tools, invest in what lasts. Frugality isn't about being cheap. It's about being smart. Secret number 3: avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, your lifestyle often expands with it. New car, better clothes, expensive dinners. It's called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly steals your savings. Instead of upgrading every time you get a raise, bank that increase. Let your standard of living grow slower than your income. That gap is your wealth builder. Secret number 4: learn the skill of comparison. Schools test your memory, not your judgment. Learning how to compare products, services, and financial options is a survival skill. Whether you're choosing an internet plan, insurance policy, or groceries, comparison is leverage. Teaches you the real value of your money. Always ask, is there a better deal, a better provider, a better way? Secret number 5: master the power of negotiation. You were taught how to write essays, not negotiate prices. But here's a secret: almost everything is negotiable. Rent, bills, interest rates, salaries. If you never ask, the answer is always no. Confident negotiation can save you thousands over a lifetime. Speak up. Ask for better terms. The worst outcome is being told no. The best could be financial freedom. Secret number 6: use the 30-day rule. Impulse purchases are emotional decisions disguised as treats. The 30-day rule is simple. Wait 30 days before buying anything that's not essential. If you still want it after a month and can afford it without guilt or debt, go ahead. But most of the time, you'll forget about it. This one habit alone can save you from draining your wallet for temporary satisfaction. Secret number 7: build an emergency fund, not just a budget. Budgets are good. Emergency funds are life-saving. Life happens: unexpected medical bills, job loss, car repairs. If you don't have at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved, a small crisis can become a financial disaster. Your emergency fund is your peace of mind. It's your armor against the chaos of the unknown. Secret number 8: track every peso, every dollar. What you track, you control. If you don't know where your money goes, you can't stop the leaks. Track every cent. Use apps, spreadsheets, or even a notebook. The goal is awareness. Most people are shocked when they see how much they spend on things like food deliveries or subscriptions they forgot about. Once you know, you can adjust. Secret number 9, turn savings into investments. School teaches you how to save, but not how to grow. Savings accounts barely keep up with inflation. To build wealth, your savings must evolve into investments. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, side businesses. Let your money work for you instead of just sitting in a vault collecting dust. Every peso not invested is a missed opportunity. Secret number 10, avoid the trap of looking rich. This one's hard because it plays on your ego. School teaches performance, but society rewards image. The trap? Trying to look successful instead of being successful. Flashy clothes, new gadgets, trendy lifestyles. They impress people who don't pay your bills. Meanwhile, those who seem average are quietly building empires behind the scenes. Choose substance over show. These are lessons you won't find in a school syllabus, but they're the keys to building a life of financial independence. They require more than just intelligence. They require discipline, humility, and the courage to go against the grain. 'Cause let's face it, being broke in a rich-looking life is still being broke. Now imagine if you'd known these secrets 5 or 10 years ago. Where would you be now? More savings, less debt, maybe even financial freedom? But it's not too late. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Start small. Pick one secret and act on it today. Then layer the rest one by one. Remember, real wealth isn't just about what you earn. It's about what you keep, how you grow it, and how you live while doing it. What about you? Which of these money-saving secrets are you already practicing, and which one hit you the hardest? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let's grow smarter together.